Hi everyone, this is John Wen. Today is April 8th, 2019. I'm gonna record this video today to talk about what we have been done for the part 3 of DBMS database class final project. Before I get into the part 3, let me briefly introduce what we have been done for part 1 and part 2. So for the part 1, we are able to let users to log in, as well as for the root user, we are able to allow root user to initialize a database for this website by clicking a single button. And as well as for the part 2, we are able to allow users to post new jokes, review jokes, add jokes into the favorite user list, joke list, as well as add users to the favorite user list. So here is a sample jokes that we posted on the website that is able to have the review by list of reviews, as well as indicators that whether this joke has been added as a favorite joke or not. So here is a favorite user list that is able to indicate this John 5 user, whether other users already add to the favorite user list or not. Okay, so let's directly get into the part 3 questions. So for the part 3, we need to set up a sign up interface that is able to allow users to sign up with their username, password, like password confirm, first name, last name, email. And we also need to detect some, like the password, we need to keep them the same, as well as no other duplicate username or email will occur. So let's get into this web page. So if we sign up as a new users and we enter a username example for John, and we'll detect directly the username already exists in the database. So if we are saying John 5, it's also already exists in the database. So let's try to sign up as a John 6, and if we are getting an email, and it can detect whether the email already exists in the email database. So let's go to the John 6, and this is my name and password. Let's go pass 1234. If we're intended to set up as the password not the same, and will detect it directly say the password not match. So we need to enter the same password, then error message will go. So when we submit, and it says sign up successfully, welcome to the workaround. So here we can see all the jokes for other users, and we can also post our new jokes. But if you want to see these kind of videos, and you can refer to the part 1 and part 2. So for this part, let's go to the questions 2 to 10. So from question 2 to 10, we will basically have several functions that is able to allow users to get back some statistics from the website. For example, to list users who post at least 2 jokes that are posted on the same day. One has a tag of X and another has tag 1. Such statistics page, we put them all together into a single page called statistics. So in this statistics page, we have different links corresponding to different questions. So for example, for the first one, and we are getting list of users to posted at least 2 jokes on the same day respectively, with specific tags in 2 jokes. For example, let's get to the tag 1 is X, that means the first joke has a tag of X, and tag 2 is Y, that means the second joke has a tag with Y. Let's submit. We can see the user root 1 has posted these 2 jokes on the March 17th. So that seems it's working fine now. Let's get to the second link. So this link is basically get a list of jokes by the selected user, such that all the comments of the joke these users are excellent or good. So basically, it will return a list of jokes from this user, and all the comments are corresponding to the excellent or good. So let's go try one user like John, and we can see it returns all the jokes that has score good or excellent. Great. So let's go to another one. So this is the most active user since March 1st, 2019. And clearly we can see John wins again because he posts 10 jokes from March 1st. This is pretty straightforward. And for the next one, we are checking the common friends. And this is able to allow us to select two users, and we will get a common friend of these two users as a list. So for example, we are selecting John, and we also select another user Vjong and submit. So here we can see this list of users are both friends for Vjong and John. So this is quite also very straightforward. So let's get to the next one. This is also similar to the previous two. It lists out two users who never posted an excellent jokes. So we can get a list of users out here who never post any excellent jokes. So here is all users who never posted poor review. So that means the users who never posted poor reviews will appear here. So we can also get a list of these requirements. We can get to another one. So this is a list of users who always post poor reviews. That means this user has posted some reviews and all of them are poor. So we can get a user of test who are always post poor reviews on others' jokes. And next one, we display users never receive any poor reviews. So this is the users who posted some reviews, but none of them received the poor reviews. So we can see these users are good and appeared in this list. And last one is very interesting. And my partner spent some time to write the SQL, and I also work on to reform the SQL in order to feed our database as well as the structure of website. And this will give out a user pair such that they always give each other excellent review for every single jokes they posted. That means we are seeking into the database and see the pair of users who always give each other excellent review on every jokes they posted. So we can see we get two users, that is John and Jungwen. Actually, they are posted, they are review each other's jokes each other's every jokes and post excellent review on them. So this is basically the part 3 of the requirements. I think we have met all, and so far it looks good. It's also good to see it's working as expected. So I think that's pretty much for what I will talk about today. Thank you so much for your time. Hope you will enjoy the video. If you want to go back to the part 1 and part 2, feel free to return to the old videos. Thank you so much for your time. Happy coding.